So one key aspect of active listening is maintaining eye contact. This means looking at the speaker when they're talking to show that you're fully engaged and paying attention. In a medical affairs context, maintaining eye contact with your colleagues is especially important. It demonstrates respect and helps establish a connection with the speaker, which can foster trust and open communication. Here are some tips for maintaining eye contact. First, focus on the speaker's eyes without staring. You don't want to make the speaker feel uncomfortable, so be mindful of your gaze and try to strike a balance between being attentive and being overly intense. Secondly, it's okay to briefly break eye contact from time to time. This can help alleviate any discomfort that the speaker may feel from you kind of looking at them, and it can also allow them to really collect their thoughts. And finally, use facial expressions to convey understanding and empathy. Your facial expressions can speak volumes about how you're feeling and whether you're truly engaged in the conversation. So make an effort to nod, smile, and show other signs that you're actively listening.